Hey guys, Redneck Boy back here. Yeah, I'm a little sick right now. I don't feel that great. But I wanted to show y'all a little bit of something of what the hurricane did. It got pretty bad. It hit a little bit harder than Matthew did. It got a lot more rain, that's for sure. Lost power at like 3 o'clock, and it's like 12 o'clock in the afternoon almost right now. Alright guys, so I used to be able to walk through here all the way over to where that bank is over there. Now I can't even walk over there. My boat is way over there, almost sunken. My other boat's over there on the bank. It's not good at all. But, oh, and a trampoline got hit with some trees, stuff like that. Net got messed up pretty bad. But yeah, and then this water right here is almost up to the bank, and it was never like this. All the water's almost up to the bank. Some of it is up to the bank. I'll show y'all in a minute of how close to the bank it is. I mean, it would never be like this. I've never saw it like this before. This is probably the worst, like when we moved, we've had like 2 hurricanes. Matthew, and then this one is Irma. And look how close to the bank that is right there. It's bad. It was never like this before. We got trees falling. So much flooding over there that's going into the pond. Got like a little stream into the pond right here. Got trees down. Got tons of flooding. I mean, look at the flooding everywhere. Got a tree down right here. And that is just flooded. Got another like stream thing right here going on, where it's like going into the pond. Like this is like the pond. It's flooded over. This is the pond that I'm standing in basically right here. My sister just laid down in it. That was very weird. But yeah, my boat is sunken. Yeah guys, I'll keep you updated on how it goes. Everybody stay safe.